first-time installation, please check the package contents. You will also need a quick release base compatible with your vehicle. Zestek offers ultra-slim bases for select models. Please contact customer support or your local dealer for details. First, ensure the wheels are straight and the vehicle power is off. Disconnect the airbag connector and remove the airbag. Remove the center bolt and take off the factory steering wheel. Install the communication base wiring harness. Install the quick release base. Check clearance to avoid pinching the wires. Reinstall the factory bolt and tighten to factory torque specs. Connect the communication base to the wiring harness. Install the communication base, ensuring the flat side faces down. Tighten the communication base bolts. Install the SCX hub and steering wheel. Installation complete.